Welcome back and thank you for joining us. This is WION The World. We are glad you're watching. I'm Eric Njoka. Let's begin with what's happening today. The Kremlin says the phone call between Russian President Vladimir Putin and his US counterpart Donald Trump is a step towards face-to-face meeting. The process of arranging the meeting will be discussed in Riyadh tomorrow. Ukraine claims at least 3 people, including a 5-year-old boy, killed and 10 others injured in a Russian drone strike in Kyiv. The area assault comes ahead of negotiations among US, Russia and Ukraine in Riyadh tomorrow. Istanbul's embattled opposition mayor Ekrem İmamoğlu vows to fight on after a court formalizes his arrest, a move that has sparked Turkey's worst street unrest in more than a decade. Pentagon's intelligence and law enforcement claims it will probe leaks of national security information. Internal memo says Defense Department personnel could face polygraph tests in the latest such inquiry by the Trump administration. Georgian government cracks down on pro-EU protests, imposes crippling fines on protesters for taking to the streets last December. British Finance Minister Rachel Reeves confirms that the UK government is planning to reduce the administration budgets for the civil service by 15% by the year 2029. The move could put thousands of jobs at risk, especially the back office ones. Pope Francis arrives at the Vatican just over 5 weeks after he was admitted to a Rome hospital for pneumonia. Doctors have advised the pontiff to take it easy for at least 2 months to ensure full recovery. And New Zealand thrashed Pakistan by 115 runs in to take an unassailable 3-1 lead in the T20 International Series. After setting Pakistan a target of 221, the Kiwis bowl out the visitors for just 105.